Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many laptop users might encounter with their processors. The issue at hand revolves around managing the turbo boost clock speed of a locked processor, specifically the i7-8550U. Now, let's get into the solution. It seems that limiting the turbo ratio limits using throttle stop software is a safe and effective way to control the processor's clock speed without causing any harm. In fact, it's a simpler alternative to undervolting, especially for locked processors like the i7-8550U. Remember, a locked processor doesn't offer the flexibility to fine-tune voltage settings, so adjusting the turbo ratios is a straightforward method to underclock without potential risks. So, to wrap things up, it's clear that using turbo ratio limits to manage the boost clock speed of a locked processor is a practical and harmless approach. As highlighted by Intel, locked processors lack the customization options available in unlocked ones, making the turbo limit adjustment a sensible choice. And if you're unsure about undervolting, sticking to turbo ratio limits should suffice for your needs. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, it's always better to underclock safely than to overheat recklessly.